That's what they train it.
Lightly.
Yeah. They call it a soft mouth. Soft mouth.
Bite it all the way.
Gabby, what's in your arms?
Watch your drink. Watch your drink. Watch your drink.
Kill the bird.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're training them how to kill.
It's not teeth. Yeah, but my hands are dirty. I don't want to pick it out.
Salad bowls.
Gabi, is this yours? Okay, this is Gabi. Ask Gabi.
That's hers right there.
Go say, Gabi, can I drink?
Or get a piece of ice or whatever you want.
No.
Ice? Okay. Be very careful and watch where you're walking. Gabi,
Back up there.
she wants to know if she can have a piece of your ice.
Back up there.
You gonna be there tomorrow, Gary?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Probably not. We're probably gonna.
Bye, you guys.
Pretty quick after the meeting.
Bye, y'all.